Yo, it's that time again. It's that time again. We'll be unboxing another video. Hey, get on my face, man. Guess what we're unboxing? The iPhone 13 Pro. Do you know I don't have all the iPhone 13 Pros like a normal YouTuber? You guessed right. I am broke. I'm so broke that I can only afford one. And it's a black iPhone 13. Because guess what? I'm joking. I'm joking. Let's get right into this video. Alright, so this is the iPhone 13 Pro. Right from the get-go, you can see the box is quite sturdy. It's quite strong. It's quite smooth. It's quite, you know, like, bro, it's just a box, bro. It's a box. Anyway, I'm just gonna unbox it. So you take this thing, right? If I can. Oh my god. Okay, so basically there's this. You just have to rip it out. Mate, come on, man. Alright, so let's go. It doesn't make any noise, but that's okay. Let's see if we can hear it. Yep, so that's the noise. Yeah, so now let's unbox it. Boom. Oh my god. Okay, so you're introduced already with the iPhone 13 Pro. Do you know how mad that is? Look at this. You can see that it has 3 cameras. Insane. So we'll keep the iPhone aside. You get some white plasticky thing that also has like volume button. What the mutt? You can't even see this. Okay, so and it has a power button as well. So yeah. Okay, so we'll just keep this bad boy to the side. It also comes with an Apple sticker for those who want and like the Apple sticker, and also a pin, because why not? And finally, the last thing in the box is a cable. And I don't know why it doesn't have a charging dock, and I'm kind of annoyed because the last phone that I've had was the iPhone 10. And now it's, it doesn't have a charging dock because it comes with USB-C. And a normal charging dock doesn't come with that. So, you know what? It's all good. So, I know you guys are here for the iPhone. So, let's unbox this. Let's remove the plastic. Let's see if there's any noise. Because I remember like growing up, whenever I bought an iPhone product, I know that there's a plastic thing and it makes like a really sexy noise. It always turned me on.
We need some milk!
Show it to you, and let's hope that it makes the noise. Yeah. Oh man, I'm so funny, bro. Oh, I'm back again, boys and girls. So yeah, this is the iPhone, and now let's remove it. Yeah, not really a massive noise, but yeah, iPhone 13, guys. Yay. iPhone 13, iPhone 10, iPhone 13, amazing stuff. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna keep this box aside and I'm gonna unbox this one because I really want the case. I don't really want any fingerprints, you know how it is. A big mistake. I bought the wrong case. Yeah, look at the size of this and look at the size of the... Wait a minute. Am I doing something wrong? Yeah, look. So I guess the camera is a bit more bigger now compared to the old iPhone 12. So I guess I gotta return this bad boy. Oh man, that sucks. Anyway, iPhone 13, guys. Amazing. By the way, I just want to let you know that I'm not a professional. I am not a professional, so I don't really know what I'm doing or what I'm saying. But yeah, this is the unboxing. This is the iPhone 13 Pro. Yeah, it's a phone, bro. It's a phone. That's all it is. Alright, so we turned on the iPhone 13. Amazing stuff, bro. Oh wow, look at that. It says, oh, you guys missed it, but it says hello. Oh no, it does. It says hello in every different languages. I'm guessing that's Korean. Japanese, bro. That's nice. And let me just keep setting this bad boy up and we'll see how it looks. We'll see how it is in the inside, the softwares, the power that this thing holds. It's amazing. It's amazing what a phone can do. Without the case, it looks so nice. It reminds me of the iPhone 4, if you guys can remember. Like, just the way it looks. And then it has the iPhone 10 vibes as well with the color black. It's a bit more... Oh, man. Man, this is so nice. Hey, okay, we have done it. Welcome to iPhone. Let's swipe to get started. And there it is. This is the iPhone 13 Pro. Look at that. If you guys can see clearly. Damn, it's not... This webcam is so bad. So, yeah, this is the iPhone. It's all you need in your pocket. iPhone. It looks much more clearer compared to the iPhone 10. Like, look at this. And then if you look at this one, damn, I'm so bad at this stuff, man. Like, yeah, but there's a clear difference that this iPhone is far better compared to the iPhone 10. And I know iPhone 10 is quite outdated at the moment. A lot of people want the iPhone 12 and 13, but iPhone 10 is still pretty decent, guys. I'm just telling you, this iPhone only had some problems. Like, just today I touched it. Look at that, already at 26%. Yeah, it doesn't charge anymore. It's really bad. But now I got the new phone, so I should be great, bro. I should be doing bits with this phone. And yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please do like and subscribe. I unbox stuff, I play stuff, I do whatever I want on this channel. And yeah, today was unboxing video. So I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys, love you all and take care.